Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Pour your flax seeds into a cooking pot and add some water. In this case I added like a glass of water, and then you keep stirring as it boils. Keep stirring because it can get sticky. Keep stirring until the solution or the water becomes kind of sticky or slimy. Yeah, slimy is the word. Yeah, until it's slimy. And as it boils, the water keeps reducing as well. All this time ensure it's on low heat, and when it's sticky enough, ensure to switch off, remove it from the fire and put it aside for like 30 minutes. Then get a sieve, or you can use a V-qie to remove all the gel from the flax seeds. That way it comes out without any particles, and so the gel will be clean to put on your hair. So you squeeze it from I used a wig cup or a stocking. So you'll squeeze it until all of it comes out. It takes a lot of work, but it's worth it. As you can see, the gel is slimy. So you have to ensure you squeeze all of it in the seeds only. Keep squeezing until you have the end product, which is a gel. And I also discovered that you can reuse the same seeds to make more. So you can choose to keep the seeds or you can choose to discard them. Yeah, the gel is that sticky, slimy. Get your hair ready for application. You can spray some water on your hair to make it a bit soft and to make it easy for the gel to be absorbed. That works for me, but you can still use without the water. So part your hair into two portions, or the portions that you can with your hair, and apply a generous amount of the gel. A small amount goes a long way, so you'll not need so much gel for your hair, especially when you've sprayed some water on the hair. You get to use a less amount of the gel. You apply from the roots, apply on the whole strand of the hair. Keep applying, massaging it into your hair. That's it. That's how the gel looks like. The good thing about this gel, you can use it as a treatment for your hair, and you can use it to hold as a gel, as a form of holding up your hair. So once you're done applying it on the hair, you'll be able to hold up your hair. You can use a scarf to tie your hair down and leave it for some time as you prepare yourself, and I can't wait to show you the results. because you cannot differentiate with the gel we buy in the shops and the flaxseed gel that you've made at home. It is affordable and it is healthy for your hair. It does not cause breakage. So all you need is to buy your flax seeds, water, and you heat the water and the flaxseed together and you come up with your gel. So the other thing that you need to do to preserve your gel, if you make a lot and you happen to probably not have anyone to share with, you keep it in the fridge. That way it will stay fresh. Otherwise, if you leave it out of the fridge, in a week's time, it will be spoiled and smelly. So you won't like to use it on your hair. But it's the best thing I discovered. And I love it. So you tie your hair down. I chose not to apply so much gel on the edges of my hair. I just wanted to leave it that way, to have that natural hair roughness. But I smoothed down all the edges and the rest of the hair. It also works in laying the edges and leaves it so nice. And the best part is it does not cause breakage for your hair. That is the best part of it. Also remember not to leave it for too long on your hair. Normally I take like 3 to 4 days and then I wash it when I use it as a gel. But when I'm using it as a treatment, I just do it for a day or two and I wash it off with shampoo. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Bye bye.